Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by the accumulation of lipids in the liver, affects a significant population of obese and diabetic adults. When non-alcoholic fatty liver disease progresses to non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, these lipids cause inflammation and liver fibrosis, eventually leading to liver failure. This process results in a chronic deposition of type 1 collagen throughout the liver. However, if we can monitor the biodistribution of collagen buildup, we can potentially provide patients with invaluable information concerning treatment plans. Thus, the molecular lab has created Collagen, a collagen type 1 targeting thermoresponsive assembled protein. This protein consists of three distinct regions: the C domain, the E domain, and a collagen binding tag. To develop Collagen into an imaging reagent, we employ a specific click chemistry conjugation reaction called an alzide-alkyne cycle addition. To incorporate an alzide group into our protein, we can replace a methionine residue with acetohomoalanine. Acetohomoalanine is a non-canonical analog of methionine in which it does not naturally occur. Molecules containing DBCO or dibenzoycyclooctane can be conjugated onto the acetohomoalanine. For instance, DBCO PEG-4-HYNIC includes DBCO alongside HYNIC, which can chelate metal atoms such as technetium used in SPECT imaging. To generate this variant of Collagen, we transform our plasmid into M15 competent cells that are auxotrophic for methionine, meaning they are incapable of synthesizing methionine. We then grew these cells in a methionine-deprived environment and supplemented them with acetohomoalanine when we were ready to induce protein expression. This way, the cells will uptake the acetohomoalanine in place of the methionine. To confirm the successful incorporation of acetohomoalanine, we use trypsin to digest our proteins into smaller fragments and perform multi-TOF mass spectrometry. We simulated all the possible masses using a digital program. The molecular weight of acetohomoalanine is about 5 Daltons lower than that of methionine. Thus, if acetohomoalanine is present in place of the original methionine, then the observed mass of one of the peaks will be 5 Daltons less than that of one of the theoretical masses. It is expected that after the incorporation of acetohomoalanine, there will be a peak around 5,298.5728. On this spectrum, there is a visible peak with a mass of 5,299.9769, which is very close to our approximation. Thus, we can conclude that acetohomoalanine was incorporated in place of methionine. Next, we conjugated a molecule called BODP-FLDPCO onto our acetohomoalanine. Similarly, to verify that the conjugation was successful, we performed multi-TOF mass spectrometry. The blue spectrum represents the fragment masses before conjugation, while the orange represents those after conjugation. The molecular weight of BODP-FLDPCO is approximately 592.3 Daltons. Thus, if the peak shifts about 592.3 Daltons, it implies that BODP was conjugated onto the acetohomoalanine, which in this case it did. Yet, despite the successful conjugation of BODP, we have yet to conjugate DBCO PEG-4-HYNIC, which possesses the ability to coordinate with technetium-99m. The development of Collagen into an imaging reagent remains a work in progress.